Building a backyard pergola to fit your outdoor space couldn't be easier than with the LINX Simplified Pergola System. Here is how to get started selecting the components needed. Start by determining the size and layout of the structure you would like in your yard. Sketch out the LINX pergola design that would be perfect for your area on a notepad. On that drawing, draw a symbol at the bottom of each pergola post that represents how many LINX unifits you will need. Continue marking the wood-to-wood connections of your design with the appropriate LINX components. Tri-fit for a post-to-beam corner, tetra-fit a post-to-3 beam connection, T-fit for a post-to-continuous beam connection, and a pentafit for a center post-to-4 beam connection. Each LINX component will include fasteners for the post-to-beam attachments. Fasteners for anchoring the LINX unifits to the ground surface will have to be purchased separately to work with the surface material they're being attached to. Once every joint is denoted, count out the symbols and note how many of each item you will need. Don't forget your sunshades and hammock. My favorite thing about LINX is that each piece is created to fit a standard 4x4 or 6x6 piece of lumber, so no planing or sanding is required once you buy your LINX components. Simply install and you're done. The LINX Simplified Pergola System is offered in a rich black powder-coated finish and is available now at DecksDirect.com. If you have any questions regarding your backyard design, give us a call or chat with us online. We love talking to you about your project.